Okay, another day, another episode of Battle Cats. I do not know how to fix the audio doubling, but I did find out that if I cut the video, go to the treasure section, then, yeah. If I do that, then it will go away. So, 8 views last episode, no comments. It only gives views if you're signed in, which means you can comment. Just tell me what to do. And even if you don't have any info on the game, just always leave a comment. It doesn't benefit me at all. So, yeah. Leave as many comments as you want. Don't benefit me. If you comment, I'll be able to see it. Unlike those other YouTubers, because I'm not busy all the time having to edit because I don't have editing software, so I can have time to look at your comments. Enough speaking. Let's go. So today we're gonna do the Cat Claw Dojo. I've currently suffered. This boar, some random boar, has been beating me senseless. Only 2 guys that are getting dead. Wait, let me try to fix the audio double. Hold on. Open my thing up and do this. Okay, did that fix it or not? I don't know. I hate it too when I'm here through the video and I'm recording the stage. It sounds awful. Okay, right as I buy an upgrade, he sends them out. We can definitely beat this. No, we can't. I thought we could possibly. Yep, nope, terrible. Okay, wait, I need to test something. I'm gonna go back in. Great tea, I say. I'm gonna go back in. I gotta believe, just like that one dog. Let's see, hold on. The guy got updated. Okay, get some money in the ground. Hit him. Hit the boar. Slow the boar down so he cannot hit us. Knock him back or kill every peon in the way. Get this guy to kill the kangaroo. Hold on, wait. We can win this. We can win this. We can definitely win this. No, Mom, we can't. We can't win this. We can win this. We can win this. We can only win this. No. I need witness protection. I need witness protection for this. Stop. Die. Hit him, Hip Hop Cat. Hit him. Come on. Stop. Stop hitting me. No. Not bad. Not bad at all. 16%. Not bad. Okay, so I say to get some ground first. We'll send out ramen right away. And we'll play aggressive. We'll play aggressive. So she's gonna get cooked by the rhino. But he's still gonna hit the kangaroo. Okay, we went too aggressive now. We can't hit him at all. Yeah, we screwed up because of stupid crocodile. And now we're dead. Best to give it a try though. But there's obviously no winning. Conjure helps. Who's conjure? Nope, that does nothing. The kangaroo's just gonna kill us. Hit him. Yes. Hold on, wait. No, we're not winning this, but like, it was a good shot. It was still a good shot, though. We played way too aggressive, though. That's why we died. I think he gets knocked back at 50 HP. Yeah. We did good, but not good enough. 56. We almost have 74. Where's the kangaroo? Now we got ourselves some ground, but I think we messed up again. Okay, yeah. No, it's not it. Okay, right. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. absolutely not dead. That's our strat. Conjure now that the kangaroo's here. Laser. Kill the kangaroo. Jump up. Do your attack. Now we can send out a Bisu. A Bisu debuffs the hell out of these units. Like weakens them, knocks them back. And most importantly, is really good. I think we can hold back. This is why I need Mamaluga to do some damage to the guy at the front of our base. We did terrible. Come on, we did some. Not as good as our best run though. We almost have 74. Okay, wait. The boar comes out, beats us up, but we win still. But we still lose. Trust me. This is so gonna work. Perfect. Upgrade a bit. Not get our defenses destroyed. Nice and perfect. Here's our secret weapon. This guy comes out. I don't know who did his attack. Stupid. I hate the crocodiles on it. Oh no, he didn't hit the kangaroo. Okay, wait, we didn't use sushi. Sushi out, sushi out, sushi out, sushi out, sushi out. Yes, wait, we're freezing. We're weakening him and debuffing him. Hold on. Sushi, please cook. Please cook sushi. Sushi, please cook, man. Please cook. Sushi cook. Deploy Macho and Wildcat. What? I need some XP. I just need some XP. Some quick XP. I just need some XP. But the mine's so damn business. Quick XP. Some quick XP. I know we're gonna get cooked by one man. Like, yo, we're looking cool. We're looking fly. We're looking like we're about to beat this guy. And next second, we're over here then. Oh, yep. Everyone's getting all snug. Conjure. Why would your conjure be all the way back there? I don't get that. Me, I didn't want to damage. I should have banked the top two. I do not know why I didn't bring it. Yep, I'm dead. I can smash it through our units like nothing. Like butter. It cuts through them like butter. He's actually kind of weak. Nope, he's gonna kill our units. I can't even deploy him You call that a boss? The guy getting killed by the cat cannon? Shadow got killed. Got hit by a button. That's what. You call this a boss? Oh, and they think they're gonna be traversing forward? Hell no. Why would he even let Piggy in the stage? Like, yo, he sucks. Do you know how much work, hard work, and effort went into the stage? And it took one upgrade for this guy to be. Don't try beating the stage so many times before that. You suck so many times before that. Can't afford me one time. Sorry. Oh yeah, I forgot I get money for this. Thank you. Teammate. Fish. Level 15. I'm 4 years old. Yeah. So that was the end of the episode. So bye.